When you install your wall blocker, let the ladder carry the weight. You want to go a little bit extra up top so you can catch that joist. I'm going to drop this down. You want to line up your edges, fire in a few staples to hold it, and go up to your center. Any overlap you have, you need to cut off. With a more rough finish drywall, you'd be fine, but with a level 5 or even level 4 finish, it'll bow the drywall when they go to install it. After you finish securing the piece of the wall, you can go back to all your outlets, and if you push around the edges of the gang box, it'll leave white marks in the material, which will give you a guide to cut them out. If your cut slides away from you and goes down like that, you can always tape any excess cutting you've done. There's your outlet. You told me to bring them. I was like, okay.
Normally they be putting padded before we even.
Make sure you cut off any excess you have at the bottom, as it will break drywall when you're installing the drywall if it's curving. So you just cut along your bottom piece of wood, which I believe is called a deck board. This board right here, I'm not sure what it's called, but I don't do framing. Just cut back enough that when the drywall goes in, it's going to press your material down
Against the wall.
against that board, against the wall.